Random number generator in PowerShell GUI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a random number generator using PowerShell GUI. Let's begin coding. First, we need to load the necessary Windows Forms libraries. This allows us to create our graphical components. Next, we'll create a new form where our label and button will reside. This form will serve as the window for our application. Now let's create our label for the application. This label will display the message at the top. Create a new label to display text on the screen. Set the text of the label. Allow the label to resize automatically based on content. Change the font name and size of the label. Add the label to the Windows form controls. Next, we'll create a button that will generate the random number each time it's clicked. Create a button. Set name of the button. Set position of the button on screen. Now comes the exciting part. We'll add functionality to the button so that it generates a random number when clicked. Adding click event functionality to the button. Generate number when button is clicked. Create a random number and store it in a variable. Update the label with the newly generated number. Next, we'll add our button to the form and display the window. Display the window form. And that's it. You've created a simple random number generator using PowerShell GUI. By clicking the button, you can generate a new random number displayed on the label. Feel free to customize this further. And happy coding!